Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring safety and immediate verification. Disconnect power, wear goggles, and set your multimeter to continuity or the DC resistance range. Once done, examine the relay housing and socket for numbers or a schematic. Manufacturers often print coil and contact layouts. Next, probe suspected coil pins and read resistance. Coils normally show tens to hundreds of ohms. If you see near-infinite resistance, that pin pair isn't the coil. So mark what you tested and move to mapping contacts. You now map the contact terminals. First, locate the common terminal by checking continuity from load points or by finding the contact that toggles when you energize the coil. Once identified, test for normally closed contacts by checking continuity to COM with the relay at rest. These open when the coil is energized. Conversely, normally open contacts show no continuity at rest and close when energized. Make sure to apply the relay S-rated coil voltage slowly, and watch which pins change state to label. You finish by labeling each terminal on the socket or relay base so others can follow your mapping. Neat labels prevent wiring errors. Once labeled, recheck everything. Apply the rated coil voltage, verify contact continuity under the expected load, and listen for a crisp click indicating proper mechanical action. If results are inconsistent, don't panic. Clean contact surfaces, confirm the coil receives correct voltage, and if needed, swap in a known good relay to isolate the issue. One key tip: intermittent contact often signals dirty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.